Hello, it is Bonnie Southgate, hEDS Rehab here. So we are now on to exercise number 2. Now we have done some videos before on shoulders, but I want to really get people to think about how they're moving and why they're moving. So we've talked about lifting the collarbones up. No matter what we do, if that's dragged down here, we're going to have problems. So we're going to keep that lift. Hopefully you've been working on that. And now I want you to think about your shoulder blades in back. Do you want to pinch them together? Do you feel that they're already around your ribs here? So get in tune with them. Let's go ahead and let's try and draw them. Lifting up here, let's try and draw them together in back. So I can stay there and I can try and pull my shoulder blades together in back. I believe this is how a lot of us try and hold ourselves upright. And then actually that tension causes stress and strain up the back of the neck too. So I'm pinching there. And then when I go to lift my arms, my shoulder blade and my socket can't go with me. So we need to relax there in back. Start again, be getting aware of it, pull them together and then let them go. Pull them together and let them go. Now, lifting up here. You don't need to pull them together to be upright. You just lift here. Now, I want you to think that you shrug your shoulders up and you can shrug the shoulder blades up and you can shrug them down. So thinking about the back and the front, we're going to lift the collarbone. We're going to lift the shoulder blades all together and coming back down. And we're going to do some circles. And we're going to think this is the shoulder blade in back and the collarbones in front. If I go down here, I'm not going to be doing anything but tightening my neck. I must be lifted here in order to do that movement. That's it. And circling the other way. Feel the shoulder blades in back. Good. And lengthen up through there. That's all you're going to do in number 2 video is where are your shoulder blades? Can they go together? Can they come apart? Awareness of the scalp. It's Bonnie Southgate, hEDS Rehab here. And tune in for number 3 where we start to actually take things into movements.